everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about Python booleans. So in that case, what we are going to do, booleans represent one of two values that are true or false. Okay. So inside in programming, you often need to know if an expression is true or false. Okay. So you can evaluate any expression in Python and get one of two answers that are true and false. Okay, so these are the terms that are available here. I have used the few kinds of examples that is available here. So on screen, you can see that when you compare two values, the expression is evaluated and Python returns the Boolean answer. So it is based on the condition that you have given. Okay. When you run a condition in an if statement, Python returns the true or false. So if the condition is true, it will provide you, if the condition is right, it will provide you true. If the condition is wrong, then it will provide you false. It is based on your condition only. So on screen, you can see that I have mentioned the few kinds of condition and it provided me all the details here. The second one is false because this is not 10 is not equal to 9. The first one was true because the 10 was greater than 9, and the last condition was false because 10 is not smaller than 9. Okay, so these are the few kinds of condition that was available. So here on screen you can see that print a message based on whether the condition is true or not. Okay, so here you can give the condition, you can give the message, or you can give the condition inside the message and it will provide you if that condition is true or not. Okay, so on screen you can see that print b is greater than a. But here b is not greater than a, so you will get it as a false. But b is not greater than a, the second condition I have mentioned, you will get the value for that is false. Okay, so these are the different kind of conditions that are available. I hope you understood. If the condition is true, right, that 10 is greater than 9, then you will get it as a true. But if you are writing 9 is greater than 10, then the condition is wrong and you will get false. Okay, so here I have used all the kind of examples that that can be used in the Boolean, and I have mentioned all the contents here. Okay, so let me give you one example here. I have mentioned this and you can see on screen you will get true or false, if the condition is true or not false. Okay, so these are the few kinds of conditions that are available. So I hope you understood. That's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features related to Python. Thank you so much.